Vryburg, and we're about to leave Vryburg and head towards Upington. There's a lekker pad stall that we're going to stop at called the Roika.
The car handles great. Yeah, there are a few corrections there and there, but all in all, we're ready. Let's go. Let's chase this up.
About 5 o'clock on the 25th of January, and we arrived in Upington with our solo car. We drove about 400 kilometers from Vryburg to Upington. We're really looking forward for tomorrow. We're crossing the border into Namibia, in the south of Namibia, and I think that's going to be a challenge on its own. Team's doing good, car's doing good, and we're excited.
Dis baie cool. Dit lyk soos 'n PlayStation remote.